Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of this chair modeling tutorial. So in this part we will add our object scales and 2D drawings. So we need to um, now go to the top view and add the 2D drawings. So click Shift A and go to image, then reference, then go where your images are stored. So I will click here and add these 2D images like this in the top view. I will return to the selection box. As you see here, now we need an object to scale our 2D drawings according to it. So I will add a cube and change his visibility to wire. So I need to select the cube first and go to object properties, then go down and change the display as to wire. So now we have our cube. Now we need to enter the dimensions to our cube. So click and in the keyboard to have this toolbar, and in the item tab go down to the dimensions, then enter the dimensions that you see here in the 2D drawings. For example, the height is 81 centimeters, so you can in Blender type 81 then type centimeter and you have the units converted to meter. Then in the width I will type 45 centimeter like this, and in the X I will type 56.7 centimeter like this. Now I need to rotate this, maybe rotate it in the 90-degree to get our right direction. Now I need to rescale the 2D drawing, so I need to select the 2D drawings and rescale it by clicking on S or select the scale tool. So click on S and rescale your 2D drawings according to the scale object like this. I need to rescale it a little bit and move it like this, rescale it, move it, rescale it, move it, rescale it a little bit to be more precise like this. I need in the right way, so like this. Now I have the right scale and the rearward scale, so I need to move this cube to the up. So lift it up, grab it by clicking on G, then Z axis. Then I need to make it in the same level with the floor like this. So I will move this here. Then this is the top view, just the top view. So I need now to duplicate this 2D drawings to have the side view and the front view. Now, so I need to duplicate this and rotate it in 90-degree in the X axis. You can use the rotate tool or use the shortcut R. So I need to move it like this to be in the right way with the scale object like this. Then I need to reduplicate it one more time to have the side view. Shift D, then rotate it R in the Z axis 90-degree like this. So I need to move it like this, move it in the Y axis like this. So as you see here, the chair is in a wrong direction, so I need to rotate it one more time, R, then Z, then 180-degree, and made it like this. Then I need to organize my outliner, so I will name this cube to scale this top, I will name it to top, and this to front, and this to side view. Then I will made all these objects to one collection. So I will select all these by clicking and dropping your mouse button to select all these objects. Click A or select with the select tool like this, and go to your outliner and click new collection and name this helpers, and select all your objects and drag it in this collection like this and make it unselectable like this. If you don't have this option, go in filters in the outliner and enable the selectable option. Like this, our objects are unselectable and we will not have problem in future work. So this is everything according to scale objects tutorial. And if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, let's comment and like, and see you in the next step. We'll start modeling. Salam.